YouTube, what's good YouTube? This is your boy Bestie. Let's go do welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, it's been a minute since I drop a couple of exchanging phones for 6 seconds. As you can see guys, pass cameraman, show them where we are. Pass guys, and it's another day, another day of couples exchanging phones for 6 seconds in Ghana. Feel me? To see kana zvakagadzikana muZimbabwe kana vanhu say vanhu time yavo muZimbabwe. You feel me? So yeah, guys, panapa we are out here in close to what is your games which you pass focus them
focus ku paddock
paddocks tikuno kuma paddocks guys kunopera focus and nebudiro wani chi but ndo kwatiri kuno mkuvi ndo mkuvi sirivere oh so guys kuna mkuvi woodlands yekumarana. Anyways, it's another day of couples exchanging phones. Guys, you were complaining with the praise kwanza nyaya and stuff. But I'm here koko, maizia. Do it as andoda. Ameno. Anyways, the previous video, people were complaining with praise. You're smoking hookah. Guys, chingori chipai, pichine basari. It's not like impani and stuff, maizia. But anyways, parabandinani. Where do you sister?
Mimbai.
Parabandinani Mimbai go German.
Denzel.
Okay, so guys, we don't waste much of the time doing my explanations as Nabasa. But if it's the first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. So I'm doing those couples exchange your phones for 60 seconds to see what I'm also cheating baby and also baby ask cheat ere. I'm not boy.
Yeah, I'm okay with everything.
Kokuno.
I was just a ball.
Okay, so I'm starting to talk about Munigi German chichakadoro mbechimo.
Chimoko changu chakandidhanizva ndiri kuti inini handi icho chinendobaza ini handindobaza anongondidawo chinongonisapota
just true love. Koimi mchairo muden first
ndakangomuda wakadaro
ngongonzgoda munhu.
Yeah, sure.
Paroda munhu.
Yeah.
Okay. Saka mana mazvizwira mana ingori feeling ungonzgoti aiwa apa paroda sei paroda munhu sane ngomba ndravunza ngoma chii chingaita kuti imi muti inini nhasi handichade munhu lese muri kudana nemunhu chomuka muchiti ndakudosiyana nemunhu inini handichada nemunhu chingakuramasa nemunhu wako chii?
Inini chikatondiramasa nemunhu ikako inini handaangumarika but ndakatona atondichita aiwa totosiyana
anenge asaisa
inenge it's over
disrespecta. Koimi sister chikaita kuti mufunga muchiti nhasi ndakusiyana nemukomana chii mukomana mangu kuti aparoda munhu ndamudira kuti ndangomuda because paroda munhu chii chingaita kuti musiyana nemukomana
kana ndikamubata achindichita
kana achichita.
Yeah.
Okay guys, you've heard it from the people varitaura ranzi kuchita ndiyo one of the main reasons ngaita kuti vaita sei vachisiyana. Obvious hapana doita sei hapana da kuchitwa, obvious hapana da kusheya munhu nemunhu wake. You feel me? So ndravunza zonzi out of 10 mukoma wangu munotrasta munhu zvakaita sei?
It's obvious 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Idzo nyaya dzokutrasta ma 10 out of 10 dziri risky. I think I mentioned it mu previous video chiti okay, anyways kuiminitsara nyangu no
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay, anyways varotrasta na 10 out of 10 but don't overtrust because munyaya dzekutrust means munouya nekuchema kwakati maizia mune. You feel me? Saka ameno at the end of the day I can't tell one kuti woita sei nemoyo handingakwanise kudza vanhu zvekuita kuti trastana kana musatrastana because moyo ndiyenyu zonzi dzevaviri chiko but aminotsumiwo zvairi ichi hazipindirwa ndika mangwana munomuka maunzwana ndindotozomungu kana kutengerese ndakuita mhando. But anyways okay, so you guys mazinzwira from the people themselves. I think naona arikuya kuno saka tenge tirakwadzura skwere kuno mungomira kuno vakrosa ita arida kuita maize tipinde kuno kamera chimbowashowe kwatiri kuno tiripi kumvura maswera polato woyo maita sei polato. So guys, mukona the way andiri kuriska tiri kwatiri kuno patiri panapa tiri about 10 meters on top patiri panapa maize and we are making content for you guys and tiri padenga pemvura. When kwatiri guys, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and you like, comment, you share and you subscribe. Anyways, what I was saying is I was talking about nyaya trust ndika but zvisine asina azo pressure. Saka zvatoita panapa inini ndichada foni yenyu mutamze foni yenyu and ndoda foni yani yasisana ndobata mafoni ese because vanhu vangakucomplain praise wakasiya mwe munande foni mwanda se mwanoti namba sidwise. So zvandichaita inini ndambo explain on chapa foni yenyu yemusikana musikana rase on pa foni yenyu ndope mimi and then I will give you the keywords to search. saka tabze mafoni kuno ndi mabati kuno maize
Like inini I left my phone home.
we pa den
But it's 100% sure kuti andichita.
siri clean muri sure nazo ne
Yeah.
since you trust mwenye okay so yeah guys we are holding the phone here and then okay hold here so guys you have heard zvikiitika para muzvozonzo German vasiya phone yavo pa den I don't know kuti vaisi masiri chifoni pa den
Phone yangu magetsi mazana kunesa nangu siya pa charge.
aina moto uwenge charger okay guys mazinzwira German vasiya phone yavo iri pa charger and you know luckily tine phone yemusikana so let's just work in this background tione kuti zvinofamba sei to see kuti how honest is the sister kuti panombudike kana kuti Christmas ino vanotamba vasingwe and ready to mingle anyways open the phone iri locked kana kuti unlocked
Like you see the phone yacho yebebe wangu it was locked.
It was locked apo saka I want you to go through the WhatsApp muenda ku WhatsApp I want you to chakupa ma keywords ekusearcha keyword rekutanga search kana kuti 6 waize unofanira kuona kuti machats ari kubuda ipapo pari kubuda rakuchiti kana pari kubuda emagerman akawanda wanda kana wasearcha ukashaya unodelete ubva wanyora kuti kana kuti nudes I love you morning after and stuff so search those words one by one uchidelete kana uchingowashaya waize everything zvanofunga kuti zvine chimwe chekuita nekujola everything kugallery kufacebook Instagram TikTok Skype Quest Telegram another day of breaking relationships we're living and you know we out here that was quick and vabva vatobata
Takudzwa ndiani uyu?
Friend yangu ndi Bestie.
Aiwa uti ndi Bestie kamutaura zve6 zvana ndisearch apa.
It's just a friend.
nyaya dzemabhesi dzinonetsa
It's just a friend.
Ngabwazoita Bestie sei kuti kuchara kuti pakanyorwa ndi6 apa. Aizi 6 ere kanyorwa pe.
Ndi Bestie.
bhesi vamotara nyaya dzi6
Motara nyaya dzi6.
Like I said, it's just a friend.
But uona ndakamboudzwa neshamwari dzangu.
ndari kudyiwa na bhesi
Ndichita munhu. Anoona manje uyu Bestie uyu ndotomuziya ndaitamba naye mfana. Takudzwa ndaitamba naye. Akutaura nebhebhi rangu nyaya dze6.
Ndi Bestie hapana kana yakanyanya.
Ndochikwe chandinoona apa. Aiwa
my sister just be honest why are you cheating why are you cheating
no it's clear kuti takudzwa kutaura.
No reason.
hapana reason
Yeah.
Saka imose kuti wakandidana mari.
saka
What's the plan kuti you cheated me kuti takudzwa?
Hapana.
uri kushaye inyaya mari kanyesha andokwada munhu sezvari
Yeah.
Like I told you in and days of competition kana uchidida ndidendega and I'm seeing takudzwa you loving takudzwa that was my friend. You see
But I love you.
but you are
don't love me
cheating
cheating me.
I love you.
Guys we're gonna come move forward guys hey those people they can lie but they love you you know they can abuse the word love in the name of love you feel me it's so sad man zvinhu zvinosirisa sezvinobata kuti unongotofunga pamwe nemunhu wako worumhanya naye uri wega and then you later find out kuti munhu waari kuti ndi best wake they have been best both ways kwese neku you feel me sure guys ndambovhura kuti vanambopinda but you know maira sengoma polato anyways guys ish it's so sad you know it's so emotional and my sister why are you cheating
Apatomborina.
pane zvaari kutadzira kana asiri kukwanisa kufadza madzimai you can literally tell him kuti cha hausi kukwanisa kumirira nyika kana ari kutadza kuromance kana kuti munotaura kuti what's the reason of cheating
Apatomborina reason. There's nothing going on natakudzwa. Apatomborina.
best ndiwe munhu ane mukomana
Shamwari yangu.
shamwari yako kuatadza kuti shamwari yako enough zvekunoita best
No.
my brother she's cheating what are you going to do there
Ndizvatopera.
hapasina
Sha inini sha ndoda zvinhu zvangu zvezvo ndakakutengera sha. Noti nawo nganditishe neshamwari yangu.
he's a trying boyfriend ari kutenga masini
Inini ndakutoda zvinhu zvangu phone yangu ndakakutengera.
maybe kwauri is nothing
Everything that I bought for you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Ndinyadziza panono wakadai so.
uchimbochitirei
I won't do that again.
I was trusting
so
you
you're doing it
100%. And pane vanhu ndakunyara ndichiti ndiwe wangu wega and ndaikuda.
10% kutotrasa munhu wako
What's my problem? Namurakidza vabereki vangu. Anoziva na moms yangu na mdada.
matopowa ma intro but then and then you're doing this
I'm sorry.
My brother, she's for the streets.
I didn't mean to.
What am I going to say to my mom? Kuti munhu ayandichita.
Sorry.
Apa iwo waitanzi munhu akatsiga. Ini nditwa kuti momuziwa nawo wazikutrust. And I trusted him 100%. Like I told you 10 out of 10. But I'm seeing this. What a fool of
sister. Sorry, my brother.
Man,
my sister, what? It's okay, bro. Okay, monobage, it's okay. Next son. Mdakuza musana mabaya mdakumutsa.
Aina njadai nini? Anjadai kana kuona mlef mawu. Tisangana ni ovuti ndokukanda mvuro.
Dema to sema mkanda. It's okay, brother. It's okay. Name sister, why are you cheating?
Arwadziwa niyo. Maruwa winiyo.
My sister, why are you cheating?
Hapana reason.
You can't just cheat someone, Jay.
Shangwetikao.
In this baya no makisa. Guys, this is sad. Guys, it's so sad, guys. Anyways, it's another day, another duel of couples exchanging phones for 6 seconds. It's really sad, amana. Shadow payra, as you can see. Shadow payra, as you can see. I don't even know why girls keep on cheating. I don't even know why girls work with us, and it's really sad. And as lagunaka, you feel me? Anyways, guys, do what you're doing best, and I'll keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Press Magara, and we're out here in Mufombi, and we are fixing the country. And guys, look at where I am right now. I'm literally on top of the world, and it's very, very scary where I'm standing right now. And my camera is literally scared. You don't even want to come here. Look, bruh, I'm on top of the water, fixing the country, fixing Zimbabwe. Anyways, guys, another day, another dollar. Couples exchange your phones for 6 seconds. Those who want to do business with me, and those who want me to do channel promotions, I can promote the channels, I can grow your channels, I can make you get, I can monetize the channel. As long as I come my requirements, hit me up and open my prices. My channel promotions, they want $50. Next year, the channel is growing, they're going on $100. So make sure you hit me up and work with me this December, while it's still cheap. So it's called hurry up while the stock still lasts. Anyways, just do what you're doing best, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Press Makara, and you know me. Those who are commenting with Nabasa, we don't move with people with negative energy. We move with the people with positive energy. You feel me? A new video coming soon. If you guys watch to this far, comment Makoti so that I will show you another girl, my girlfriend. You feel me? The previous video we got disappointed after spending our money at Tongfu. These ladies Shiriko, Shaka Sara, Shaka Kosha. But I'm gonna introduce you to my girlfriend soon. If you guys makanbata shakanaka, matamani shakanaka, I might show you. If you want me to show you, I will show you, and I will definitely show you. So I don't know, man. Tell me what you think. Which ndokuratidza here kandorega kuratidza here, because the other people were saying praise. You should ameno. So you guys do what you're doing best. Cameraman, what are you saying? Anyways, guys, danzi and skubuda pa nigrina kwa kune zuo. But hey guys, thank you for your love and support. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate. I just want to thank you for the love and support that you're showing me throughout the whole year. I think it's the end of 2025, and I think we started this channel last year. And chishuo chedu chanchi kuti this year end tave pa 30,000. Unfortunately, I was kwanza kusvika papo, but this channel was one of the most fastest growing channels ever in the world. I mean in Zimbabwe, not in the world, because we didn't expect kwatatosvika kuno kuti asingazvitarase, but because of your love and support, you guys you have been showing us murugona singaiti, and we're gonna keep on giving you more content. We opened a podcast, please go and support it. Ghetto Diaries podcast. We're gonna keep on giving you more trends and more blogs there. Make sure you're supporting us, guys. Make sure you're supporting the local talent. And also, guys, you should give me content. I'm out here doing couples exchange of phones for 6 seconds. Praise your staging. Praise. Why is it this and that? But this industry, tinema distractions. Akawanda. Tinema nakawanda. Vantara shawanoda. Tinema nakawanda. Wanofungo pango maybe they are better in life. Tinema nakawanda that are doing the same content. Tinema nakawanda in the same field that are fighting us for Rutirwisa. You feel me? Doing content zawo zawarkuita. Thinking that they are doing better than me. Don't ever be in a position where you think that you are doing content creation to be in competition with another content creator. If you doing content on the mindset, you will never grow, and you can never be better than the person that you think you're gonna be better than. But anyways, keep on suggesting more content for me, guys, and keep on giving me content ideas. Everything that you want, I will do it for you. Every content that you want, I will do it for you. Chase the content. I will make sure I will make it happen. You feel me? I'm the one guy who can go far with content creation. I'm the one guy who can risk whatever it takes to give you content, guys. I'm that guy akapinda nemoyo pa content creation. So what you want to do is you want to put but you want to put Zimbabwe on YouTube on map, and you want Zimbabweans to believe that YouTube is not all about skills. YouTube it can be happen. You know, once I quit Zimbabwe. But anyways, because on the do what you're doing best, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Bestie Bagara. I think in Basarangu ndapedza kundi vangu vachangotibata nhasi ndizvo zvatinete izvozvo zvichinya zamacouples maphones kune vangu vasati vatiziya. I think mandondiziya kune vadozvichinyazwa macouples avo ndibate pa +27619643402. We will come kwamuri koko, we will break relationships, and break my relationships per phone. If you want me to break your relationship per phone, I have to charge you a certain amount and share in drive in a certain amount. You could respect my work sang. Also, those if I don't take some numbers, know that this is a business number. I've been blocking a lot of crazy ladies that are coming to my DM. Don't come to my DM, I'm not interested. I've been blocking a lot of people that are coming to say hi, I'm a big fan. It's okay, you can write that in the comment section. This is a business number. I can't be wasting my time. Can I go to hi? We'll say I'm good. And so high praise. I want you to do couples. I want you to do channel promotion. High praise. I want you to do this. High praise. What's your account number? Chat it. I haven't been on 3 machines. You feel me? Because you guys are and this is a business number. I don't want that. It is. Do what you're doing best, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Bestie Magara. Yapi relationship, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.